Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I'm going to quickly go over my solution for word count engine the Pramp question. So basically implement the document scanning function word count engine, which receive a string documents and return a list of all unique words in it and their number of occurrences sorted by the number of occurrences in descending order. If two or more words have the same count, then they should be sorted according to their order in the original sentence. Assume that all letters are English alphabets. Function should be case insensitive. So, for instance, the words perfect and perfect should be considered the same words. Engine should strip out punctuations even in the middle of words and use white space to separate words. Analyze the time and space complexity of your solution. Try to optimize for time while keeping a polynomial space complexity. So if you're given this as a input, then your output is this. So basically, it's the word itself and the count. But in case there is the count should be in descending order, right? But in case the counts are the same, then you have to maintain the occurrences, whichever first appear in your original document should appear first. So basically, just first of all, you create a dictionary, and then basically you split the words first into different words, right? Split by white spaces, and then for each word you have to get rid of the punctuations. So I just say C dollar for C in words if C is alpha. So if the character uh, is like a punctuation, then you will be ignored. All right. Okay. So basically, yeah, this is just like so basically at here, my all my words are lowercase and they don't have punctuations. So basically, right now I create a dictionary, store the word as its key and the frequency as its value, right? So, and at each point, first of all, I initialize my maximum frequency. So basically, if this is my original document, then my maximum frequency will be 3. Basically, maximum frequency gets updated every time when right now my words frequency is larger. So at end of the for loop, the maximum frequency will be the most frequent words count. So in this example, it's gonna be 3. So right now, I can do two things. One is I can maybe, because it's an ordered dictionary, I can just sort it by the frequency, right? And but the time complexity will be n log n because of the sorting. To save time, I create a bucket. So basically, this bucket will reduce my times complexity to on because I don't need sorting. So how does it work? Basically, I just create a empty array for so empty array empty list for I in range maximum frequency plus 1. So basically, I create a 2D array, and so for words in dictionary, so I loop through my dictionary and I get my frequency, right? My frequency is gonna be the D word, and basically my bucket index will be the count. How should I put this? So let me put it here. So basically, my bucket is what? Is 2D array. So right now, because my maximum frequency, remember, is 3, right? Because practice occurs 3 times. So right now my bucket look like this. Right? So basically what I do is that I put all words that occurred once here at index 1. I put all my words that occurred twice in this index 2 bucket. I put all my words that occurred 3 times in this index 3 bucket. So that's what I do. So I loop through the dictionary and I get the frequency, and in the frequency bucket, I append the word and its frequency. Why I append the string frequency is because look at our output. It is outputting string instead of integers. So that's why I'm doing that. And right now, what he will give me is something like this. Let me see. Yeah, it will append like this. And my perfect appear twice. So I become here. And let me see. Yeah, basically my my bucket after this loop will become this. So basically I'm appending the words and their frequency at the appropriate index position. So this is index 3, this is index 2, this is index 1, right? And all I need to do right now is write another for loop from from the end of the bucket to the front of the bucket, because remember our output should append the most frequent word first, like in a descending order of frequency, right? So that's why I'm looping through the last bucket into the first bucket. And basically I create my result array, and if bucket I means that if the bucket is not empty, right? If it's not empty, then I extend the bucket, right? So basically the result will become practice 3 and then perfect 2 and then mix 1 and so on and so forth. And at the end, I just need to return the result. So let's run the code. Okay, it passed all the tests. So basically this question is a little bit tricky because you just have to know something like bucket sort. So basically bucket sort means that throwing all things in common in one bucket, and at the end you just return the result, then it should be fine. So because it doesn't include sorting, so the time complexity will just be O(n), and the space complexity is also O(n). Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or consider subscribing. Thank you, bye.